Loans online. Poor credit is a very viable option for those who do not have sufficient credit history to qualify for a traditional loan. You must be wondering, how do I apply for a loan online? If you think that this can be easy, you're wrong. For most people, the last thing on their mind is finding an unsecured loan because they fear they may not qualify for one with a bad credit history. Let's face it, lenders don't want to be stuck with thousands of bad credit loan applications which are bounced. Thankfully, the internet has made it much easier to get a loan even if you have a bad credit history. For many people, the only way to apply for a loan is to go to a traditional bank or financial institution and apply in person. If you have bad credit, it is very unlikely that you will be approved. The next option is to apply through a company that offers loan applications over the internet. However, if you use these services, make sure that you are dealing with reputable companies. There are scams out there, so be careful. The next thing you should look for when applying for a loan online is that the loan must be secured against the house you intend to purchase. A good method to find out if your loan application will secure the house is to check the fine print and see what the interest rate will be on the loan. For those who already have bad credit, the situation is not nearly as bad as it was before the internet became such a big part of our lives. Loan online. Poor credit still exists, but it is just a small niche of those with bad credit, so you shouldn't worry too much. Unfortunately, it is possible to apply for a loan online if you have bad credit. Of course, there are also still some shady sites out there that will try to take advantage of anyone who has bad credit. However, you can avoid this problem by doing some research beforehand. The way to avoid any problems is to pay attention to the amount of money you borrow. It is always wise to find out exactly how much you can afford to borrow. This way you will know how much you can pay back in the long run. When you are seeking loans online. Poor credit, you need to find a place where you can pay up front for your money. In order to do this, you have to find a place that doesn't require payments every month. These sites will be so convenient for you since you will be able to do your credit repair work on the computer. Some sites will take loans that are bad credit but not yet too bad to accept. These are known as pre-qualified loans, and they are great for those who are desperate and want to take the risk of applying for a loan over the internet. Don't forget, applying for a loan online can be your first step towards credit repair. But remember, it takes time to build credit and it may take several months before you are qualified for loans.